Gavin, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close them. Close your eyes. I didn't say to open them. Okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You gotta close your eyes. Close your... No. Close. Close your eyes. There you go. Close your eyes. Careful. What is your deal with the big eyes? Close your eyes. You're gonna make me pee. You're so goofy. You're just so goofy. You gonna close them? Close. No. No. Kevin, close your eyes. Close. Ow, kick. Close your eyes.
Close it.
There you go. There you go. Tickle, tickle. Tickle more?
Tickle more.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, you gotta close your Close your eyes. Close them. You're such a goof. Close your eyes. Close them tight like this. Close. Okay, here we go. Okay. Close your eyes. What is your deal? Close them. Close them tight. There you go. Close your eyes. You're so bad. What's your deal? You look funny like that. You look funny.
Mouth.
Mouth? Close your mouth. There you go. Now close your eyes. There! See? You got it. You got it. You're funny.
No.
You gonna close your nose? How do you close your nose? You're goofy. You're goofy. What's your name? Who are you? Who is this? Who is this? Who's this? Gavin, look at me. Who is this?
Money.
Okay, who's this?
Gavin.
Very good. You can give me a high five? Alright. I'm just gonna tickle you. Close your eyes. Close them. Very good. Now close them. You're just so goofy. You're goofy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.